Let's talk about cleaning process for a used hot tub. Now, more than ever, hot tubs are a luxury item and very expensive, so there can be some value in a used hot tub, but you should be aware of the cleaning process. A lot of people will just get one and kind of wipe it clean, fill it up, heat it, and use it. And a lot of those people will end up with getting hot tub folliculitis, which is basically a bacterial infection. And the reason this happens is because there is a lot of bacteria in hot tubs, or there can be. And where that hot tub or where that bacteria normally resides is within the plumbing system. It's not so much free floating in the water or stuck to the shell. Inside of the plumbing lines is really hard to clean, and as a result, it can really accumulate a lot of gunk. And to contribute further here, there's a problem with the way that most people care for their hot tubs. The average hot tub owner does not realize that there is a process that you absolutely should do every time you drain your old hot tub water. And that's the point of this video. You need to be aware that with a used hot tub, you should get it, clean it, fill it up with water, heat it, and at that point, you're going to conduct a pipe flush. Now, there's a lot of different names this could go by. It could go by spa purge or pipe flush or pipe cleanse, pipe cleaning. There's a lot of different names for it. But essentially, you have the right stuff when the instructions are you add it to old dirty water, circulate all of the jets for a period of time, and then drain that water away. That's the correct stuff here. And the way that it works is it helps to break down the biofilm inside of the plumbing lines. And the biofilm is essentially like a gray, slimy sludge. And mechanically speaking, it's hard for the sanitizer in your water to penetrate this biofilm. And that's why it's kind of a persistent bacteria that can live inside of your hot tub. So if you get a used hot tub, go ahead and clean it, fill it up, heat it, and then conduct a spa purge or pipe flush. And that's going to substantially reduce on the amount of bacteria in the hot tub. And there's a lot of cases where people could have, a 5-year-old hot tub and they've never done a pipe flush. So you can actually end up with an appreciable amount of gunk inside of these plumbing lines, such that when you do a pipe flush, you could end up with a foot of black foam on top of your hot tub. And if you see that, you know just how gross it was inside of the plumbing lines. And that's why it's so important, especially with the used hot tub, where you don't know how the previous people took care of it. I used to manage a hot tub water chemistry lab, and I would say 90% of hot tub owners do not pipe flush every time they drain their hot tub water. And that means 90% of people's hot tubs have an accumulation of this biofilm and persistent bacteria, which can contribute to you getting hot tub folliculitis. When you're in a hot tub, the water's hot, your pores are open, you sit in front of the jets, and that's where all the bacteria accumulate, and it's just driven right into your back. And that's how you can end up with, a hot tub rash. And it's definitely something that you want to avoid. Used hot tubs could be pretty gross. You definitely want to clean them properly. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.